I live alone and start working after college, so if you're planning to have a job this year, here are some factors you may want to consider. First, you need to decide what specific job you're applying for kay minsan nagapadalos-dalos ta sa kung unsa lang ang trabaho nga kuhaon nato or sa kung unsa lang ang naa. I experienced it before nga nag-apply kog trabaho pero wala na akong nagustuhan, so nag-abot lang ko ata og 1 hour ato nag-quit na dayon. Second, mangita kag mag-refer or mag-recommend sa imuha kay makatabang gid siya. Dapat pod ready ka sa mga challenges and willing to work under pressure and eagerness to learn. One of the most important things that you need to remember is yung punctuality and attendance kay maapektuhan ang workforce if kulang ang headcount. So there you go, that's some of the things that you need to consider pag mag-apply mog trabaho, and daghan pa guys actually, and dili na ako siya maisa-isa kay limited lang ang time diri sa video, and hopes this helps. See you on my next video and thank you so much for watching. Bye!